Welcome to my channel TG Tech Social Studies. First question is, what does CGE focus on? Answer is holistic assessment of cognitive and non-cognitive. Second question, which academic standard in social sciences focuses on developing map reading skills? And the answer is geographic skills. Third question, which movement is associated with do or die? Answer is Quit India movement. Fourth question, which king built the Sanchi Stupa? And the answer is Ashoka. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi? Answer is Razia Sultana. Where, Sixth question, where did Gandhi start his first satyagraha in India? Answer is Champaran. Seventh question, a teacher uses debates on globalization. This develops. Answer, critical analysis and communication skills. Eighth question, a student with dyslexia struggles with maths. The teacher should answer, use tactile maps and oral explanations. Ninth question, according to NCF 2005, social sciences should promote. Answer is critical thinking and inquiry. 10th question, the Greenpeace movement focuses on, and the answer is environmental activism. 11th question, the Aligarh movement was led by, and the answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. 12th question, the Ajanta caves are famous for, and the answer is Buddhist paintings and sculptures. 13th question, the first Indian talkie film was, and the answer is Alam Ara. 14th question, ICT social studies teaching refers to the use of, and the answer is digital tools. 15th question, the blue revolution refers to, the answer is fisheries and agriculture growth. 16th question, self-help groups primarily empower, answer rural women. 17th question, consumer price index measures, answer inflation. 18th question, internet banking falls under which sector? Answer is tertiary. 19th question, the first woman to become president of India was, answer Pratibha Patil. 20th question, which is the largest producer of coffee in India? Answer is Gujarat. 21st question, the Chipko movement originated in? Answer is Uttarakhand. 22nd question, who discovered the sea route to India in 1498? And the answer is Vasco da Gama. 23rd question, who wrote Discovery of India? And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. 24th question, the symbol of Ashoka's lion capital is used as? Answer is emblem of India. 25th question, the Bhakti movement emerged prominently in? And the answer is medieval period. Thank you.